Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an HTTP host header attack in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is web cache poisoning via ambiguous requests. So the lab is vulnerable to web cache poisoning, how the cache and the backend application handle ambiguous requests. An uninspected user visits the home page. All right, and all we need to do is alert document cookie in the victim's browser. Sweet. Let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. While this comes up. All right. So we have a exploit server. We have our own account. Let's see. Let's kind of browse around a little bit first. See what's here. Safety first. My account. Okay. So I didn't see anything interesting there. Let's go HTTP history. 302. Oh, dang it. Wonder why they're doing these now. Super annoying. Or at least in this section. Maybe they're not doing it everywhere, just for these labs. Look at this. Okay, so this is where I think our target is. Let's send this to repeater and verify by doing exploit dash send. Ha. Gateway timeout. So let's put what was it? Resources JS tracking JS to here. We want it to be JavaScript, and we're going to do console.log. Got you. The only reason I'm doing console.log is I don't want to save it or solve it without writing the script. So, all right, we've got that set up. Now we need this here. Copy. And the second part is, of course, the cache, which I didn't even check. Xcache miss. Repeater. Okay, so paste that. Send it. Gateway type out. Do I need like server error gateway timed out? I don't know why that's important. Home. Gateway timed out. It's like it's every single time connecting to this. What? Why is it timing out connecting? Why is it trying to connect to there? I want to I really want to open one of these in a new tab. Okay. Because what I wanted to see was the access log. No, nothing. Just me. All right. Why is that trying to connect? Server gateway timeout. What about proxy? What is this? This get. Oh, that's the exploit server. Sorry. I want to try this get. Send a repeater. Send it. Okay. Now I want to try it with this, but not this or this. What in the world is going on? Why is it... Something's going on with the exploit server. Craft a response. See, this is the actual website server and not the host and not this. What in the world? Something seems to be... Gateway timeout. I wonder if we need like X host something. P Chrome. What X like X server HTTP headers X not forwarded for, but something forwarded host. X forwarded host. I saw that one. X forwarded. There we go. Maybe this one. X forwarded host. Identifying the original host, the request. Okay, so let's try that. Let's move this back to whatever it was originally, which I guess I don't have that. Maybe this one? Nope. Let's go proxy. Send this one to repeater. Okay, send it by itself, make sure it works. It does. And then let's have X forwarded host to be this. No, that did not work. What the crap? Oh, wait, no. That's the exploit link. This is what we're targeting, but exported host did not work. Wow, just 2 hosts. Hey, that worked. Xage cast miss. So now we want to see if proxy send this to repeater. I don't know if we got a hit. Boom. Look at that. We just solved it. So we got a Xcache hit, and this is poisoned with our stuff. Well, it's probably gone now if we re-poison it. So let's send. Miss. Perfect. Let's copy URL and go visit it. We should console. Got you. Haha. Sweet. All right. So this is how we're going to solve it. We did 2 host headers, and I don't know if that's, we'll have to look to see once we, solve it with the script, if that's the expected way to solve it. For some reason, I don't think it is, but whatever. Whatever. We've got it. Python utils /create. And there. There we go. Let's take that, copy it, paste it, and then we'll vim web cache poisoning via. All right, so let's write down the steps. We need to broad overview, high level, establish, cache, and then check if solved. And then we need to repeat these 2 high level things over and over. Let's set up our exploit first. So that's going to be in site exploit, get exploit, get email log, get post exploit. This is what we want. Okay, let's do shop.post exploit, and your response file needs to be different. Response file equals, what do we have it as? We have it as this. Boom. What's next? Response head. Yep. That needs to be different because that one's text HTML. So response head equals we want this. And then here like that. Let's write this so it formats it better for us. Cool. And then let's see, anything else? Oh yeah, we need our response body and form action. We need to change both of those. Response body equals, this time we're going to do alert document.cookie and form action. Was that what I said? Form action. Form action equals store. Cool. Now, we need to do shop dot get response to the shop dot base URL. We're going to save this as res. We need to set headers equals boom. Oh, suck. How do we do 2 headers? Host. I don't know if request is going to let us. Let's just try to. Which one did we actually host? This one. So we had a host with this, and then a host with... This is not going to work. No, because even a dictionary, we can't do 2 of the same keys in a dictionary. So we're not going to be able to use freaking requests. Yeah. Headers equals headers. Huh? Wait. It looked like it worked. Proxy. Post. There's our post exploit. Here's our get. It only has one get. One host. And it's the second one. Okay. So, how do we send, we need to Python send, send HTTP request without using requests. Here. What do we got? This looks like I can't use. So I need it to be like, let's try Python send with duplicate headers. Yeah. I can try this. This is just sending. Maybe. Let's try it. Header equals host. So this is doing it like this. Let's try it. No. Okay, so maybe I didn't. Maybe I just send a. For canvas, if instance, editable. So it's just a list. Sorry. I guess I didn't really look at the. Boom. So I want like this. And then like that. I don't know. $403. Yeah. Okay. So we just need to freaking do like what we did in some of the earlier. Let's look at what libraries we have. In utils, we have not, I think in request smuggling, we have something. Create request text, send request. Is this? Yeah. What about this one? So we can just post creating a request text, body, headers. We'll just make it manually and then send it with send request. All right, that's what we'll do. So let's close this. Let's do, we need to import this file, which is request smuggling. From utils.request smuggling import send request. Okay. Send request, we need the request text, the host, the request text equals blah blah. Probably need to triple quote it. And then the host equals shop dot, isn't it just host? Pretty sure. I'll leave it like that and change it if we need to. Port is good. Timeout is good. We need to send it something like this. Or should we enlist? No, we need a get. So we want request text equals get. We do want to get, right? I'm kind of lost. Let's just HTTP. What is it? We want just this. I'm gonna, in fact, copy it all the way from me. There to there. And paste that. That looks fine. And now we want the second host. Copy. Host. Like that. Okay. That's our request text. Now, send request. Send request. Request text. Request text. Host. Port timeout. All right. What do we get in response? What do we return? If it worked, we get the rest. Response. But this is not like a request response. Log.info resp. Let's see if that worked. And we can delete this now. No module named H2. Dang it. What should we do? Should we just comment this crap out for now? The other way. Protocol error. The other way we do it is source dot venv bin activate, and now we should be able to run this without error. But we still have this problem. Let's see what actually happened. Well, let's wait till it does the get. I guess it's never ever going to do that. It did the post. Protocol. What is this? Bad request, content type. Protocol error. Oh, we're not proxying this. That's right. So we can't actually tell what happened. All of this other stuff is H2, but this first stuff is protocol error. Port 443. Protocol error. Dang it. Why did we get a protocol error? Let's look at, maybe I'm not doing this right. One of the requests, and we want something that uses this send request in the request smuggling, which I wish I knew. Let's do ls-la. No, ls-l-lt. Boom. Request Smuggling. So let's check out example, which is here. Parse ours, create. Oh, we could do like this. Oh no. Send post direct. We could do it like this. This was some test I was doing. That I wasn't able to proxy it, I don't think. Create message. So we did request body equals, I don't know, whatever. Post. And then how did we actually, we sent it using this. Let's try this. Let's get our create message. We need to import a bunch of stuff. SSL socket. Oh, and probably URL lib3. Get follower. What does that one do? Get follower. No, we don't need that. Okay. And doesn't look like we need URL lib3. All right, so here's the request body. We need this defined first so we can get the right content length. This is a post though. We just want, so there's not going to be a body. We just want to get host. We don't need transfer encoding chunked. We just want a normal like this. Host. None of this. Content length. We don't need that because we're not going to have a body. Get host. We don't need the user agent except connection closed. Now, this is all we need. Boom. Print, sure. Blake line. And then we're going to send it. It's no longer send. Whatever. We're going to do comment out all of this. And send post direct. The host is shop.host. Port is 443. Obviously, the URL. What does that get used for? I don't see why URL is needed. Okay, so we're not going to. Okay, so we did host port. That will get the message and send it. Let's try that. Oh, crap. Python. Yeah. This is way longer of a lab than it should have been. Hey. Oh, that may have just been printing it. Dang it, do we not get... We don't get the response. Oh, that's annoying. We need the response. So, how do we... Python... socket... This is the... So, sock. Yeah. Python socket response. Whatever. Yeah. Send all. We can do this. .302. Hey, that actually worked. That's awesome. So why did this work and the other one not? I don't know. Whatever. This one worked. Maybe because... Doesn't matter. I mean, it would be cool if we got it working. Request text equals this. So I need... It could be that it's not r/n. Get host. Let's put this up there. That's fine. And let's do it like we did this one. So we're going to do request text equals /r/n. Request text plus equals this. Oh, whoops. I don't know what just happened. Request text plus equals that. A/r/n. Boom. And then do the same, except for not anything that we don't need. Okay. Let's try that one. This will do both. This one timed out. shop.host. Oh, let me request text plus equals /r/n. Make sure there's at least one blank line. Because I would rather use bad request, duplicate. Wow. This one got a bad request. Duplicate header names are not allowed. But isn't that how we solved it? Maybe this one with the cookie. So let's add this in between them. Request text plus equals. The good news is that request looked like it went through, right? Request text plus equals, yeah. That line's long. We can either ignore it or fix it. This is slow. Very slow. Just trying one thing at a time, trying to get something to... Oh, suck. It's not already solved, right? Oh my gosh. I did it on accident. Oh, suck. It must have been when I sent this one. When I sent that test. When I was remember when I came back and sent this and verifying that it worked? It must have been then. Suck. Okay. Well, that sucks. I mean, it's cool that we solved it, but, you know. I'm going to mark off all of that. Till I can get this. And I'm going to continue trying to get this working. Oh, that looked like it actually worked. Yeah. There's the header. I can pretty print this or, make it look better. Let's do that. Resp.decode. That was the navigation header, so it only got part of the request and not the whole request or response. Why not? Send request. Oh. That's this. Try. What if I don't give it? Nope, still didn't get everything. Okay, so what if I put like something? Why can't it dynamically? Do I care enough? 15. Well, whatever I'm doing is not making any difference. Send request. This send request. Whatever. 4096. Okay, it's exact same. Now if I do 8192, ends the exact same place. Whatever. I actually don't care that much because what I care about, I don't, okay, that it works, and it does. And this request had both that host and that host. What I care about is if the X cache hit in the age. So, since this worked, I can delete all of this, and I can delete all of this, and I can delete this. I'm gonna leave that. I'll leave that. Okay. This is how we establish the cache. So I'm gonna do def establish cache, and we can tell if it's established. Hopefully, Twitter. Don't tell me. Oh, I think what we want is just a little bit lower. Establish cache with all of this, right? And we want to know, we can return rest, but here, all we want to do is establish cache. We can make this more sophisticated, but crap, I don't think we want to. In order to make it more sophisticated, we would have to like extract the age and the X cache. So I don't think I want to do that. So I'm just going to do establish cache shop dot is solved, right? Check if it's solved. Oh, we need shop here. Establish cache shop. And then if it's not, if not, we could do like the loop. Here's if not, yeah. We're gonna do establish, and then we're gonna do while not is solved, establish cache shop, and shop. Let's sleep after this time.sleep for like 20 seconds. Again, this is super import time. We're not doing a very good job of making it efficient, but it will work. Now, of course, we've already got it solved, which sucks. So I'm going to have to wait 15 minutes for the lab to reset before I can try seeing if the script works. All right, so yeah, I'm going to just stop the recording for the next 15 minutes and then come back on, I guess. All right, see you in a bit. Let's see. Our last request here was 1712. We should be good. The only thing I hate is if I wait like 14 minutes and then the lab isn't reset and then I got to wait another 15 minutes, which is brutal. But I'm going to wait 10 more seconds and then I'm going to refresh this page. Cool. It is done. So let's close tabs to the right. Open up the lab. Get a new server. Let's freaking solve this. We can close this now. Don't need that. There we go. And so arrow up, delete this, paste in this, and then run it. Wait, this said gateway timeout. This is, oh wait, what the crap? OA13, OA13. I thought I had it right. OA13. Why am I getting gateway timed out? Oh, it's probably because I hard-coded this cookie. Dang it. Okay, no problem. Let's do this. Let's do resp equals shop dot get response shop dot base URL. And then we'll do cookie equals resp dot request dot underscore cookies. Let's just call this lab. Change word, lab cookie equals dot get underscore lab, right? Yeah, okay. Lab cookie, and we'll do shop lab cookie. Up here, we'll accept it. And then here, lab underscore cookie, like that, DT backslash, put an F there. Okay. What? Oh, we need it here. A lab cookie. All right. Now let's try it. So we're getting our response. Error timeout. What? This was freaking working before. Wasn't it? We got timeout. Oh, because the host. I didn't get the shop.get exploit URL. Like that. URL equals log.info URL. Let's just do this. Run that. All right, so we've got the exploit URL. Now we will do import URL 3 lib3. Do I use that? From URL lib dot parse import URL parse, right? I think that's right. And then here we'll do exploit host equals URL parse URL dot netlock log.info exploit host, and then comment that. Make sure we get just the host. And there we go. Okay. So now we can add that to here, exploit host, and same there. And again here. And then finally change this one to exploit host dt there. Make sure we add an F. Okay. Now it should work. Gateway timed out. Are you effing kidding me? Oh, because it's saying OAFE. Oh, suck right here. Oh my gosh. I hard-coded so much stuff I didn't realize. All right, now we need so host equals URL parse shop.base URL.netlock. And then we're going to add that one. Let's do that one first. Host there. And here. And host dt there. We'll add an F. Okay. Now, this time, for sure. Okay, looking good. We're checking if it's solved. It's not solved yet. That's okay. We're going to wait. Oh, did we get... We got a cache hit. So that's all right. Checking if solved. We're going to establish the cache again. This time, we still got a hit. Checking if solved. I really should put some log info so that we know we got a hit of age 4. And do we have... Should be around here, right? Back... I don't see the tracker.js is what I'm looking for. Oh, because is solved is establishing it. Jeez Louise. Well, we still... We got a hit for 1 second. Shop.is solved is establishing the cache. And so we're not, this is never going to work unless it happens to land in between here. Okay. So I'm going to kill this, right? And then I'm going to do, I'm not going to check if it's solved until we get a hit. So that means we got a hit, miss right here. And here's the tracking JS. So we just established it and I killed it, right? We got it. Oh gosh. I am just not doing a good job. How sophisticated do I want to make this script? That's the question. Let's just check if we have it solved. If we happened to get it solved during that one time. No, we didn't. And this one was a hit. That one was a hit. Okay, so let me fix up this script a little bit. All right, we need to, did we miss? Rasp, right? And then I'm going to do shop.extract text, and the pattern I'm going to extract will be R X cache, and then here will be our caps group dot asterisk, right? We can't do a question mark because it won't know where to end. And we need shop here. And resp is going to not be dot text because we are established cache. Oh, it's resp.decode. Okay, so resp.decode. Did we hit? So, if we need to save this, m equals log.info m, right? And then let's check right here. Did we miss shop resp? And we'll see how that goes. It says hit. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. So we hit if m equals hit, return false, return true, right? And then if this is true, if not, if we didn't miss, not this, we're going to call it again, establish cache, shop, lab, cookie, host, exploit host, and then once it does, we'll return. All right. Well, heck, let's try that. While it's not like super sophisticated, the logic is really just dumb, but we can keep looping in this one. We got a hit. Oh, this is that first. And this is looping through here, we should probably, okay. We can probably establish, like, get the age and max age 30. Wait, do I have some logic here messed up? If m equals hit, log.info, we hit. And we want this to continue when we get a miss, right? So only when it's true do we want to go on. Log.info, we missed. Something's not working the way I expect. Hit, we missed. What? That's not right. Log info m f m equals m something's not. Why is it saying hit and then m equals hit? Maybe it's like has some extra text. So m equals m dot strip. Maybe it had like a space after it, and that's why the logic wasn't working. Ah, there we go. That's what it was. So now we should do a sleep here. Time.sleep. Do we want to make this? Yeah, we already have time. So let's. Oh, and then we have. Once we missed, we're checking if it's solved right away. That's not good. This will work, but it's kind of noisy. There's a lot more requests than we need to. We missed. But exploit. Whoo. We can also check like if the JavaScript is poisoned. That's probably better than the miss. But maybe we can just get it solved. No. We hit. Where's the tracker? There it is. Exploit. We're still set up. So maybe the next time we check if it's solved, it'll say true and we can move on. No. If we go, let's visit it ourselves. What? Loading failed. 404. No, loading failed. Why did the loading fail? Ah, damn it. That. Okay. We got something. We got something messed up here. Where do we write the exploit? Oh my gosh. I thought we did that. Shop dot post exploit. What is it? It's in site. Post exploit. That's what it is. Post exploit. We need a response file. We just did this. Did we not? Did we erase it? I think I must have erased it. Crap. Response file equals / resources. What is it? / resources JS tracking JS. That we need to set the response head equals triple quote that. Why not? No, we'll double quote it, whatever. We need to do it like this. And go here, a/r/n, join those two lines. And then we need at least one more thing. Let's see. Response body and then form action. So response body equals alert document dot cookie and form action equals store. Okay. All right. Now let's solve it. Jeez Louise. We hit. So that's not right. Let's see. Age is 18. So we're going to really should put a sleep here. Gosh dang it. We missed. This is exploit. Sweet. So now we should be set up. So the second it does the if solved, check if we're solved, we should return true. That's what I'm betting. Come on. Come on. This is that 20 seconds. Sleep. Now, checking if solved and drum roll. No. Yes. Woo. All right. Sweet. So the script, after a lot of freaking tweaking, it did work. And solved it. So what we did was this site had an issue with ambiguous hosts. And what that meant was that we could send a request with 2 host lines and it would cache. It would accept this first. Second, it would use the host to as the target for not that one, for this one, this tracking JS file right here, and it would also cache it. So that's how we exploited it. We sent a request with two hosts. One host was the exploit server. That meant that this JavaScript was pointing to our exploit server and that it cached. And so if the victim visited it and retrieved this file, then our JavaScript that was, we loaded into that file got loaded for them. And that was it. That's how we solved it. Sweet. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.